wash them up on one side, man. You wash them up, bringing them up out, no batteries, no electrics, with the minimum amount of effort. Feel how dry that is. You know, if you've got laminate floors, tiles, lino, wood, stone, any hard floor, porcelain tiles, instead of wet mopping, you're dry mopping everywhere. You leave your floors dry at the same time. Mop heads, they all go in the washing machine. Each mop head will last you minimum a year. If you're heavy-handed, a lot of us are naturally heavy-handed. It's a strong bucket, strong stick. They're built to last you a long time. This is how good the mop heads really are. You know, the biggest problem you have in the house is wet floors in the bathroom. You have a spillage in the kitchen. What if you've got a wet room? This is how good my mop heads really are. Each mop head holds up to 50 times its weight in dirt and liquid. You don't have to struggle to do nothing. Air, dust, liquid, everything and anything to dry the floor. This winter and every other, you don't have to open windows and doors. The mop heads are so thick and long. They clean the corners, the skirting. They leave your floors ready for you to walk on straight away. Instant dry floors. You also get a scrubber in the set. It doesn't scratch nothing. Use it anywhere. Kitchen floor tiles, little grouting. Your bathroom wall tiles, your patio, your decking, your stone floors, your block paving. It doesn't scratch nothing. Mop heads, remember, each one will last you minimum a year. What I give you in the set is a bucket, the stick. Instead of one mop head, I'll top you up with 4 mop heads. You'll get a scrubber, you'll get a year guarantee, everything.